To add page numbers in InDesign, we need some pages. So right now we have only one page. So let me add some more pages. So now we have 7 pages here. And in order to add the page numbers to all these pages, we need to go to this A master. So in case you don't have this panel in this area here, you can go to window, and from there you can turn on the pages. So the idea of inserting page number in InDesign is same for all the versions. So it doesn't matter which version you're using. It can be CS5, it can be CS6, or it can be CC, or it can be Adobe InDesign 2020. So in this case, I'm using 2020. So for putting the page numbers, you need to turn on the pages panel. So this panel can be turned on from the window here, and make sure this is turned on. So in the pages panel, go to A master, and in that area you double click here once, and once this one is opened, what you need to do is you can put a text box, and I will bring this one exactly to the center. Alright, so in there I'm going to type page and then give a dash. So I want to align this text to the middle, so let me align it to the middle here. And inside that text box again, inside this text box again, we need to put something. So for that one, we'll go to type, and in the type you'll see insert special character. So inside this insert special characters, go to markers and current page number. So once this one is inserted, you can copy this one by pressing Alt in your keyboard, and I will align it to the center of the page. That is the next page. Okay, now it's in the center. So once it is done, you can come back to the pages and check whether the page numbers are being really inserted or not. So let me come back to the original pages. So here we have page number 1, and if we scroll down, you can still see that the page number has already been inserted to the following pages also. So this is page 2, 3, and so on. And if I add one more page in that page also, the page number will be visible. So that is how you insert page number in Adobe InDesign.